Good morning, students of class 9. How are you? I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am Sultana Mahfouz, Assistant Teacher English, Patijeriapur High School, Matarban, Jamalpur. Now I will discuss about a new topic. Before reading the topic, we can see a picture. Everybody listen to me. My dear students, open your English textbook. Open your English textbook. The name of the textbook is English for Today, classes 9 and 10. And open at page number 38. The name of the unit is Events and Festivals. Events and Festivals. And by reading this unit, we can talk about events and festivals, ask and answer questions, give opinions in a logical sequence, and infer meanings from the context. There are many events and festivals in the world. Listen to me attentively and look at the pictures below. There are many events and festivals in the world, and there are some pictures in the lesson. In the first picture, we can see a Shahid Minar, and Shahid Minar is built with the memory of our language martyrs. And the second picture, it is a national memorial, and it is built with the memory of our freedom fighter, and who laid down their lives for our nation in the Liberation War. My dear students, by showing these pictures, we can know about our events and festivals. Now, today's lesson is lesson 6. The name of the lesson 6 is Pohila Boishakh. Look at the lesson. My dear students, open at page number 38, and the name of the lesson is Pohila Boishakh. Pohila Boishakh. Pohila Boishakh. Look at the picture. My dear students, look at the picture of section A, and then ask and answer the questions about it. In this section, there is a picture of our any occasion or any festival. Do you know about this festival? Do you know? Or what is the picture about? Can you guess what is the picture about? Okay? And the picture is about a Chaya knot. The picture is about a Chaya knot. Where do you think the picture was taken? Where do you think the picture was taken? I think, or we think that it was taken from the Ramna Bottomul. From the Ramna Botomul. And question number 3, what are the people doing? What are the people doing? The people are doing the people are singing song of Pohela on the occasion of Pohela Boishakh. Esho he Boishakh, esho esho. My dear students, by reading this lesson or by reading this, by showing this picture, we can know two skills. We can know or we can gain two skills. Skill number 1, listening and speaking. Listening and speaking. There are 3 questions in this section. This is speaking skill and showing picture. The teacher, your teacher listens to you. It is listening skill. By reading or by showing this picture of section A, we can gain 2 skills. Skill number 1, listening and speaking. Think this is a learning outcome for you. This is a learning outcome for you of this lesson. My dear students, open at page number 39, section B. Page 39, section B. Read the text. At first, read the text carefully. Now, I am going to read the passage for you and listen to me attentively. Pohela Boishakh is the first day of Bangla New Year. The day is a public holiday. This day has a special significance for us as it is a part of Bengali culture and tradition. People from all walks of life, irrespective of their ethnic identity or religious beliefs, celebrate the day with traditional festivities. On this day, the whole of Bangladesh is in a festive mood. The day inspires people to start life with renewed hopes and inspirations. Let's go the second step. Every year, that day is celebrated traditionally. People wake up early in the morning, have a bath, and wear traditional clothes. Women wear white sarees with red borders and adorn themselves with colorful turis and flowers, while men dress themselves in pajamas and Punjabis. It is a day when people love eating traditional food. Let's go. Third step. One of the most colorful events of the day is held in Dhaka. Early in the morning, people in hundreds and thousands pour in from all directions to attend the cultural function at Ramna Botomul, organized by Chayanot. The cultural program begins just at sunrise, and the renowned artists of the country take part in the program that starts with the famous Tagore song Ekushe Boimela, Esho He Boishakh, Esho Esho. Artists also sing traditional folk songs and perform classical dances to the rhythm of musical instruments. Let's go next step. People also come to join the colorful processions, the biggest carnival of the country, organized by the fine arts students of Dhaka University. The procession usually displays the traditional practices of Bengali culture. The masks and wreaths worn by the people are so fascinating. Often they symbolize contemporary worries or happiness in the national life. It attracts an increasing number of foreign tourists every year. This day is also observed all over the country. Different social and cultural organizations and educational institutions celebrate that day with their own cultural programs. On this day, newspapers bring out special supplements. There are so special programs on the radio and television. The celebration of Pohela Boishakh marks a day of cultural unity for the whole nation. The passage is finished. Now, let's discuss about some important words and their meanings from this passage. Be ready to write some important word meanings in your exercise. Go. My dear students, be ready to write some important words in your exercise book. First word, public. Public, and this is adjective. This is adjective. Public. Public meaning national. National. Most important word, special. Special is adjective. Special is adjective and special meaning particular. Particular. Significant. Significance. Significance. This is noun. Significance meaning importance. Importance. Necessities. Necessities. Usefulness. Usefulness. Ethnic. Ethnic is adjective. Ethnic is adjective. Ethnic meaning racial or tribal. Racial or tribal. Beliefs. Beliefs. Beliefs is noun. Beliefs meaning faith. Faith. Next word. My dear students, notice these word meanings and their parts of speech. I am telling again about the public is adjective, the meaning national, special is adjective, the meaning of the word is particular, significance, this is the most important word for you. Significance. Significance is noun. Significance meaning importance, necessities, usefulness. Ethnic is adjective. Ethnic meaning racial, tribal. Beliefs is noun. Beliefs meaning faith. Not only belief. Belief is verb and beliefs is noun. I am training the. Can I training the board? Okay. Let's discuss about more words. Celebrate. Celebrate. Celebrate is verb. Celebrate meaning observe. Observe. Celebrate meaning observe. Inspire. Inspire is verb. Inspire is verb. Inspire meaning encourage. Encourage. Inspire meaning encourage. Renewed. 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 Renewed is adjective. Adjective. Renewed meaning made new. Made new. Sorry. Hopes. Hopes is noun. Hopes. Expectation. 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 Hopes meaning expectation. Inspiration. Wake up. Wake up is verb. Wake up meaning get up. Get up. Wear. Wear is verb. Wear meaning put on. Wear meaning put on. Renowned. Renowned. Renowned is adjective. Renowned meaning well known. Well known. Well known. Take part in. Take part. Take part in phrase. Meaning participate. 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 My dear students, I have written some important words from the passage. 3 steps of the passage. I think that you have finished your work. Now I am going to write some short questions from this passage. My dear students, you will be ready to write some important questions from the passage. Question: answer to the following question. Answer to the following questions. Answer to the following questions. Question number 8. What is Pohela Boishakh? What is Pohela Boishakh? We all know about Pohela Boishakh. My dear students, we all know about Pohela Boishakh. Pohela Boishakh is the first of Bangla New Year, and it is celebrated with traditional festivities all over the country. Okay? And what type of day? What type of day is Pohela Boishakh? Pohela Boishakh is a public holiday. And have you do you know তোমরা কি জানো যে it has a special significance for us? Of course, it has a special significance for us. Why? Because it is a part of Bengali culture and tradition. So let's write another question. What type of day is Pohela Boishakh? What type of day is Pohela Boishakh? Question number 6. Why has it a special importance to Bengali? My dear students, notice this question. I can use a similar word in this question. Why has it a special importance? What is the similar word of importance? The similar word of importance is significance. That we can use the similar word of our question paper. Question number D. How does the day inspire? How does the day encourage how does the day encourage people to start life? This is the last question. What sort of dress people, what sort of dress do people what sort of dress do people wear? My dear students, listen to me attentively, and now I am going to tell about this solution. Question number A. What is Pohila Boishakh? Pohila Boishakh is the first day of Bangla New Year, and it is a public holiday. And what type of day is Pohila Boishakh? Pohila Boishakh is a public holiday. Question say, why has it a special importance to Bengali? It has a special importance to Bengali because it is a part of Bengali culture and tradition. By reading this passage carefully, you can answer these questions. Question number D. How does the day encourage people to start life? How? কিভাবে? How does the day encourage? Encourage meaning inspire, অনুপ্রাণিত করে। কিভাবে দিনটি লোকদেরকে জীবন শুরু করতে অনুপ্রাণিত করে? The day